How to customize your foam toothpaste personal brand. The process consists of several steps, and our best-selling foam toothpaste serves as a starting point. Step 1. Share your OEM requirements. Let us know your specific requirements, and our designer will swiftly create a mock-up image of the product, provided for free within 24 hours. Step 2. Choose customizable packaging. Select your preferred packaging box from a range of options available. The packaging is highly flexible and can be tailored to your needs. Step 3. Personalize the logo. You can choose and change the product logo to match your brand. Step 4. Customize the formula. Decide on the ingredients that suit your preferences. Our toothpaste contains only organic and natural ingredients. If you'd like to learn more about our customization services, join our live stream or online reception to receive additional details.
You can click here to follow us so you won't miss out any updated information and discount.